In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your PayPal account to Payhip so you can start receiving payments for digital products that you sell on the platform. So here I am on payhip.com/dashboard, and what we need to do to connect our PayPal is go to account in the top right hand corner, provided that you're logged in. Then go to settings in the top right, and then you'll be able to see your store. You want to go to the payment details, which is going to be the second one. Here you'll see PayPal and you'll be able to click on connect. Then enter in your PayPal email here. Once you've done that, it's going to say your account will be connected to the PayPal account, and then it's going to show you your PayPal account that you've wrote there. Click confirm PayPal account. That will then open up this window where you need to go ahead and just enter in your PayPal email again once more. Then you can go ahead and click on next. From here, if you don't already have a PayPal account, you can go ahead and create one. If you do have a PayPal account, it's going to ask you to log in and sign into it. And from there, you can essentially connect it. And once it's connected and you click continue and confirm on PayPal, you'll then be able to use it to receive payments. This is the window that you should see. Once you've clicked on login and you've connected it, just make sure you click go back to Payhip Limited, and then you'll see your PayPal account connected here. That's all you have to do.